Okay, I think we could all pretty much agree that there is nothing more important to boys than our Sawzalls. We love our Sawzalls. They are just the coolest tools in the world. And so what do you need if you want to enjoy your Sawzall? You need an absolute ton of blades. In this kit, there are blades for everything from demolishing big pieces of wood to nice clean cuts of big pieces of wood. Same thing for metal. There's everything from fine tooth metal to a more aggressive tooth metal. They're all in here. You've seen me, I cut up some big old logs with this blade right here, and it is still good to go and working well. I will freely admit that it took 2 of these blades to cut all that pipe up into little teeny pieces. But I think that's totally reasonable. Honestly, I almost made it on one and then I'm like, why don't I just put a nice sharp new blade in there? Because I have a ton of them now, right? So if you were looking for a pile of quality blades for your Sawzall, or you're getting your boy a present, you can't possibly go wrong with a whole ton of really cool blades for his Sawzall, because we all love our Sawzalls. Anyway, if you want these, there's a link down below in the description. It helps out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra, so I'm going to say thank you in advance if you're going to use that. As well as while you're down there, remember to like, subscribe, and put in a comment. Are you the one who's looking for blades, and what are you going to cut with them? Or is this a gift for a boy you know and love and you want him to be super happy? So why not get him more parts for his Sawzall? Anyway, I hope this has all been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.